What's up folks, welcome to Slake Academy. I'm Pradeep. Today we are going to see solutions of mathematics paper 1, which is of 2019 paper. So this is the board examination paper where we'll be solving each and every questions very clearly. So let's see the question paper. So you can read this. This is mathematics paper 1. This is actually English medium. So we can see here there are 3 sections in the paper. This is the first section. So in section 1 you can see there are about 7 questions. Alright, so let's read the question. If a x is to x is a factor of 24, then find n of a. Second question, find the HCF of 24 and 33 by using division algorithm. Right, let's see the third question. Radha says 1, 1, 1 are in AP and also in GP. Do you agree with Radha? Give reason. Fourth question is, if p of x equal to x power 4 plus 1, then find p of 2 minus p of minus 2. Fifth question, find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Sixth one, find the centroid of a triangle PQR whose vertices are p1, 1, q2, 2, r minus 3, minus 3. For what value of t the following pair of linear equations has a no solution? 2x minus ty equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. So these are 7 questions in section 1. So let's see the questions in section 2. 8th question, if mu equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a equal to 2, 3, 5, 8 and b equal to 0, 3, 5, 7, 10, then represent a intersection b in the Venn diagram. Right? So let's see the 9th one. Akila says points A 1, 3, B 2, 2, C 5, 1 are collinear. Do you agree with the Akila? Why? Let's see the 10th question. Write the quadratic equations whose vertices are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. 11th question. Divide x power 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 by x minus 2. 12th question. Write the formula of nth term of GP and explain the terms in it. 13th question. Solve the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3 equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 5 by elimination method. Okay, this is all about section 2. Now let's see section 3 questions. There are two questions in each. Okay, so let's see this. Draw the graph of a polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. Then find its zeros from the graph. And second question in 14th one are solve the equations graphically. 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 4x minus 3y equal to 5. Let's see the 15th one. Find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 3 and 5, 6. Then find the intersecting point on x-axis. Second one, find the sum of all 2 digits odd multiples of 3. 16th one, if f of a equal to x is to 2x plus 1, then x belongs to n. So which is n is natural number here. So x is less than or equal to 5. B, the b is x is to x is a composite number. Here x is less than 12. Then show that a union b minus a intersection b equal to a minus b union b minus a. So one more question, prove that root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. 17th one, sum of the areas of two squares is 850 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 40 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Sum of the present ages of two friends are 23 years. 5 years ago, product of their ages was 42. Find their ages 5 years hence. Okay, this is all about the question paper 2019. You can see here it was held in March 2019. Okay, so we are going to solve all these questions very clearly. So let's see the questions and its solutions. Let's go forward. Let's see question number 1 in section 1. So question says if a equal to x is to x is a factor of 24, then find n of a. So for this question, first we have to find out the factors for 24. Okay, so 24 factors we'll find out. So what are the multiples of 24? We can simply write 24 ones is 24, that is 24 ones are 24 is one factor. Then we can write 12 into 2, that is 12 twos are 24 is another factor. So we can simply write the next factor as 8 into 3, 8 threes are, it was 24. We can also write 6 into 4 as the 24. So these are all the multiples of 24, nothing but the factors of 24. So we'll write in the form that is A is equal to, so first factor is 1, so I'll write that. Second factor it was 2, and third one it was 3, and next it was 4. Alright, then 6 is the factor, then 8 is the factor, 12 and 24 is the last factor. Alright, so these are all the factors for 24. So we can write n of a, that is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 factors for 24. Nothing but there are 8 multiples for 24. Right? So this is all about question number 1. So let's see question 2. Question 2 says find the HCF of 24 and 33 by using division algorithm. Okay, 24 and 33 are the numbers, so we have to find out HCF for that. So we can write that as 33 by 24, where 33 is in the position of dividend and 24 is in the position of divisor, as we are doing division algorithm. Alright, so we can simply write 24 is less than 33. Okay, so we'll write, so we'll go for the algorithm. So that is 24 in the divisor position and 33 is in dividend position. 24 ones are, it was 24. So 33 minus 24 is how much? It was 9. So now 9 is in the divisor position now, 24 is in dividend. So 9 twos are, it was 18. So 24 minus 18 will be getting 6. So now here 9 is in the position of dividend and 6 is the divisor. So 6 ones are 6 we can write. So 9 minus 6 will be getting 3 as the value. So now 6 is the dividend. So we can say 3 twos are, it was 6. Alright, 6 minus 6 is a 0. So now what is the HCF here? In the sense this, the last divisor will be the HCF. So the 3 is the HCF for this. So we can write, therefore HCF of 24 and 33 is what? It was 3. Okay, so this is the way we'll find out HCF using division algorithm. So let's see question 3. Radha says 1, 1, 1 are in AP and also in GP. Do you agree with Radha? Give reason. Okay, so let's do this. What was given? So given is 1, 1, 1. Alright, and it was continued. So we'll write if A, B, C are in AP. That is what they said. So where we'll be writing A equal to 1, B is also 1, so C is also 1. So A is 1, B is 1, C is also 1. So then we can write this as A plus C equal to 2B. So what is the value of A? It was 1. So what is the value of C? It was again 1. And what is the value of B? It was 1. So I can write 1 plus 1 equal to 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 2 equal to 2. So we can write therefore 1, 1, 1 are in AP because these are equal. Okay. So let's see even whether it is there in GP also. Okay. So we'll write if A, B, C are in GP. So then where we'll write A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. So then we can write this as AC is equal to B square. Okay. So what are the values here? The value of A, C and B. A is nothing but it was 1. C is 1 again. What is the value of B? B is 1, so it was 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 square is also 1, so 1 equal to 1. So therefore we can write 1, 1, 1 are in GP also. Alright, so hence we can write we can say 1 comma 1 comma 1, that is 1 comma 1 comma 1 are in what? AP and also GP. Okay, so this is clear. So this is all about question 3. So let's see question 4. Question 4 says if p of x equal to x power 4 plus 1, then find p of 2 minus p of minus 2. Alright, so let's write the given equation, that is p of x is equal to, what was that, x power 4 plus 1 is the given. So now they said p of 2, so we'll write that separately. So p of 2, in the place of x I'm just submitting 2. Okay, so now this is 2 power 4 plus 1. What is 2 power 4? It was 2 power 4 in the sense that is nothing but 2 power 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 multiplied for 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are, it was 16. So it was 16 plus 1, which is nothing but 17. Okay, this is what, this is p of 2. So let's find out for p of minus 2 also. Okay, that is nothing but minus 2 whole square whole power 4. Same equation we are taking. So in the place of x we are taking minus 2, so plus 1. So this is nothing but, as the power is even power, always the value will get it as positive. So now this is 16. Just now we did 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So 16 plus 1, it is nothing but 17. So p of minus 2 we got 17. Even p of 2 also we got it as 17. So we can write in the given question, that is p of 2 minus p of minus 2, that is nothing but, what is p of 2? It was 17. What is p of minus 2? That is again 17. So that is 17 minus 17, it was 0. Okay, so this is all about question 4. So let's see question 5. The question says find the roots of quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Alright, so let's do this question. First we'll write the quadratic equation, that is given quadratic equation is, so what was that given? X square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 is a given quadratic equation. So we'll write that equation, x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So if you observe the first, whatever the quotient of the first element, that is 1 is the first quotient for x square, and the last constant, that was 3. So we will just multiply the first constant and the last value, that is 1 into 3 is nothing but, it was 3. So we'll see the multiples of 3, that is nothing but, the only multiples for 3 is 3 into 1, that is 3 ones are 3. So we have to satisfy the middle term with this 3 ones are 3. So that is nothing but, you can simply write 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we'll write the same thing here. So that is x square plus, here we can write it as 3x minus x minus 3 equal to 0, which is 3x minus x, again it was 2x. So it was the middle term is satisfied. So we can take from the first two elements, we can take x as the common. So x plus 3 is remain, where when I multiply this x into x, again I'll get x square. If I multiply x into 3, that again I'll get 3x. So in the second thing I can take minus 1 as the common. So when I take minus 1 common, I'll be remain with x plus 3. So here I can take x plus 3 common. So x plus 3, when I take common, I remain with x minus 1 equal to 0. Alright, so now I can write this separately, x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is becoming x equal to minus 3, x equal to 1. So these are the roots for the quadratic equation. So we can write, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? That was x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, or what are the roots? That is minus 3 and 1. Okay, so these are the roots. X equal to -3 and x equal to 1 are the roots for the given quadratic equation. So this is all about question 5. Question 6 says find the centroid of a triangle PQR whose vertices are P1, 1, Q2, 2 are -3, -3. First let's draw the diagram. The triangle we will draw. So they're saying here, suppose P it was 1, 1 and Q is 2, 2. Okay, and R is -3, -3. Okay, so these are the quadrants or the vertices of the triangle. So they're asking find the centroid of triangle PQR. So we have to find out the center of this triangle. Okay, so we have to find it. So let's see how we could do this. Alright, what are the given vertices? The given vertices of triangle PQR are, what are they? That is, so this P, we can take it as P as x1, y1, which is nothing but we can take 1, 1. Alright, then we can take Q as x2, y2, which we can take it as 2, 2. R will take x3, y3, where that is nothing but -3, -3. So these are the three different points we are taking in the form of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So we have the formula for centroid of triangle. So we'll take that and we can solve this easily. So I can write centroid of a triangle. So that is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole by 3. Okay, so then I can write y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole by 3. So this is the formula. So we can simply submit all these values. This is x1, y1, this is actually 1. So this is x1, y1. So this is x2, this is y2, x3 and this is y3. So let's submit here. So what is x1? x1 it was 1, x2 it was 2 and x3 it was -3. So I'll write here whole by 3. Again what is y1? y1 is again 1 and y2 is 2 and y3 is -3. Okay, so I'll be getting this as, so here I have taken -3 directly where plus into minus is minus. Okay, so this is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 by 3, and here I'll have 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 minus 3 by 3. So what do we get here? 3 minus 3 is nothing but it was 0, so 0 by 3, and here also 3 minus 3 is 0 by 3, which is nothing but 0, 0. So the centroid position is exactly at 0, 0. So here is the centroid position. So the centroid position, it was at 0, 0. We can say it was the origin. Alright, always 0, 0 means in the graph it will be origin. So we'll write the conclusion saying that therefore centroid of a triangle is at 0, 0. Okay, so this is all about this question. So let's see question number 7. For what value of t the following pair of linear equations has no solution? 2x minus ty equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. So they are just asking us to find out the value of t. Here is t, so we'll find out the value of t. Alright, so first we'll write the given. See, this is a linear equation. This is having the power as only 1. So these are linear equation. So we can write given pair, because two equations were there, so we'll take it as pair of linear equations are, what are they? First one is 2x minus ty equal to 5. This is the first equation. Second is 3x plus 2y equal to 11. This is the second equation. So we will just compare this equation with the general equation of the linear. What is the general equation? general equation of linear. What it is? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Alright, so let's compare this with the general equation, that is ax plus by. Before comparing, first I'll be bringing this phi to this side, so that is 2x minus ty minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so now I'll compare ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so now this I can write a is in the position of 2, so this is a equal to 2, and b is representing minus t, so this is b equal to minus t, and c is representing minus 5. So as this is first equation, we can write this is a1, this as b1, this as c1. So let's do the same thing for the second equation also. So I'll bring this 11 to this side, so that is becoming 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. So I'll compare with the general equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So now a is representing 3, so I'll write here a equal to 3, and b is representing 2, so I can write b equal to 2, and c is representing minus 11. Alright, so as this is second equation, this is a2, this is b2, and this is c2. So we'll go for the condition which is a1 by a2. So in pair of linear equation, this is the very condition where we will check whether the given equation is intersecting or parallel or coincident. That is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so let's submit all this, then we'll get the t value. Alright, so what is a1? a1 is 2, a1 is 2, a2 is 3. Okay, b1 is, it was minus t. What is b2? b2 is t. c1 is minus 5, c2 is also, c2 is minus 11. Okay, so as we have seen here, all this one we could observe that nothing is equal to one to other, so we can simply write this as first we have to find out this one, right? So we will get that is 2 by 3 equal to minus t by 2, that we will take separately and we will find out the t value. So 2 by 3 minus t by 2 we are taking, so by cross multiplying we'll get the answer. So 2 we can send that side, so that is 2 into 2 by 3 equal to minus t, so that is 2 to the 4 by 3 equal to minus t. So this minus we can send to other side, so simply we can write t is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, so this is the t value that they asked to find out from the given two pair of linear equations. We got the t value as t equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore t equal to minus 4 by 3 from the given pair of linear equations. Okay, alright, so this is all about this question. So let's see section 2, question number 8. Here the question says if mu equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a equal to 2, 3, 5, 8, and b equal to 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. So then represent a intersection b in the Venn diagram. So we have to show a intersection b in the Venn diagram. Alright, so first we'll write the given part, whatever given is there, that we will write. So what is given? Mu equal to, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is mu given. Let's write a also. A is 2, 3, 5, 8 is given. So what is b? B equal to 0, 3, 5, 7, 10 is b. Okay, so they asked us to do intersection, so a intersection b. So what is a? 2, 3, 5, 8. So what is b here? That is nothing but 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. Okay, intersection in the sense we should write only the common elements in a and b. What are common? See, 3 and 3 is common, and 5 is common. So only 3 and 5 are common here. So simply we can write the intersection of a and b is 3 and 5. Okay, So here if you see in the Venn diagram, you can see the figure here. This first circle represent A, the second circle represent B. Okay, so now what is intersection 3 and 5? So here you can see first circle and the second circle, both of them were being intersecting one to other. So this is the intersection phase. This is the intersection space, so we can write this 3 and 5, both of the elements in the intersection positions. So other than 3 and 5, what are the two other elements? 2 and 8. So simply here we can write 2 and 8 are the remaining elements in the A. And in the B, what are the remained elements? 3 and 5 are gone in the intersection. Remained is 0, 7 and this is actually 10. Alright, so we can write 0, 7 and 10 are the other three elements in B. So probably as the question asks, they ask us to represent A intersection B in the Venn diagram. So 3 and 5 were the intersection of A and B. So this is the Venn diagram. I hope this is very clear. So let's see question number 9. Question says Akila says points A 1, 3, B 2, 2, C 5, 1 are collinear. Do you agree with Akila? Why? So if we agree with her, then we should say why it was, and if we don't agree also, we have to answer why we are not. So she is saying that it was collinear, 3 points. Suppose this is a straight line, very straight line. On straight line there are 3 points, point A, point B, point C. Okay, this is what Akila is saying, that all of these 3 points were in the same straight line, that Akila is saying. So we have to prove whether it was true or no. So for that, first we'll write the given things, that is given points are, what are the given points? A 1, 3, B 2, 2, C 5, 1. These are given points. So we'll represent these 3 points in the x1, y1 format. So if I can write, if A x1, y1, we are writing A as, B we will write it as x2, y2. Alright, and the last one, that is C, we'll write it as x3, y3. Alright, so now these all of the 3 are collinear, right? That is what Akila has said. So then we'll represent this in the triangle, that is then area of triangle equal to 0. Alright, for area of triangle we have the formula when there are 3 coordinates for the triangle. So then we have the area, that is delta. We can say delta equal to 0 is the content which is given here. So area of the triangle, I can write here the area of triangle, so that is equal to 0. Alright, so what is the formula of area of triangle? Is half mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is the formula. Alright, so now we have to just show these are all the elements ABC. We will just submit in the formula and we will see whether it is coming as 0 or no. If the value will become 0, then that means the given points were in collinear, where it was in the straight line. So let's see this. So this already we have taken A as 1, 3, which is A is 1, 3, which is actually representing x1 equal to 1, right, and y1 equal to 3, and B is again representing what? B is giving 2, 2, which is x2 equal to 2, y2 equal to 2. In the same way, what is C? That is 5, 1, which is actually x3 is 5, y3 is 1. So let's see these all values and we'll submit in the formula, that is half into what is x1. It was clearly written, that is x1 is 1 and y2 is 2 and y3 is 1 and x2 is 2 and y3 it was 1 and y1 it was 3 and x3 it was 5 and y1 it was 3 and y2 it was 2. Alright, so this is half. If I send this half to other side, that is it is going and multiplying with 0, that is 0 into 2, that will be definitely 0. So I can write the remaining terms here. 1 into, that is, I'm just multiplying 1 inside, that is 1 into 2 minus 1 is again the 2 minus 1. Again if I subtract 2 minus 1, it is only 1. So plus 2 into, this is 1 minus 3 is only minus 2. Okay, then here 3 minus 2, it was only 1. So this 2 is going here and it was multiplied with 2. So 0 into 2 is 0. Alright, so I can simply write this as 2 into 2 is 4, that is minus 4 plus 5 equal to 0 into 2 is again 0. So this is minus 4 plus 5, that is only 1. So that is 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Alright, so now 1 plus 1, it was nothing but 2. So 2 is actually not equal to 0, right? 2 is not 0. So then we can say whatever this Akila has said, it was wrong, which means the given 3 points, the 3 points, they were not in the straight line, they were in triangle. Alright, so this means we'll write the conclusion that whatever the Akila is saying, it was wrong. So we can say the given points are not collinear. Okay, so we do not agree, right? Agree with Akila. Right, so this is all about this question. So let's see question 10. Question says, write the quadratic equations whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay, so let's do this. So they're saying these are the roots, so we can take this as let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so now I can write this in the form of quadratic equation. That is, first we'll write what are the given points: 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. That is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Alright, so now I can write this in the form like this is representing alpha, therefore we can write alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is representing 2 minus root 3. Okay, so now let's see the form. That is, I can write sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? That is nothing but alpha plus beta. Okay, so what is sum here? That is 2 plus root 3. What is product here? What is the alpha in the sense? That is 2 plus root 3. The beta is 2 minus root 3. So I can write this. So then I can write this 2 plus 2, it was 4, right? This 2 plus 2, it was 4, and this is plus root 3 minus root 3, which means these both get cancelled. Simply sum of the roots, we are getting it as 4. So let's do the product of the roots. So I'll write product of the roots. So what do we get? Alpha into beta. Okay, so for this I can simply write alpha is how much? This is 2 plus root 3, so that is 2 plus root 3. So beta is 2 into 2 minus root 3, that is 2 minus root 3. Okay, simply when we observe, this is in the form of 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So we have the formula a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So this is exactly looking the same. See, this is looking like a plus b, a minus b. Alright, so a is representing 2 and b is representing 3. So here plus is the sign, here minus is the sign. Simply we can write this as what we can write? That is This is 2 square minus root 3 whole square. So this is nothing but 4 minus 3, which is 1. So we got sum of the roots as 4, product of roots as 1. So this will submit in the quadratic equation, that is right here. Therefore the quadratic equation, so that is quadratic equation, what it was for this, it was x square minus sum, that is alpha plus beta x, then the product alpha beta equal to 0. This is the equation for the quadratic. So here the sum of the roots is 4, so simply I can submit the values here, the sum. So I can write here x square minus, this sum is how much, alpha plus beta, it was 4, so I can write 4x. So the product is how much, alpha beta, so that we got as 1. So simply we can write 1 equal to 0. So this is the required equation which they asked us. So they gave two roots here and they asked us to make the equation for the quadratic. So we found it. So this is all about this question. So let's see question number 11. The question says divide x power 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 by x minus 2. This is actually a division algorithm, so we'll see how to do it. That is p of x is equal to x power 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, right? So this is q of x, which is x minus 2. So we'll write in the division algorithm form, that is x minus 2 is the divisor, x power 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. This is the dividend. So let's solve this. So when we multiply this x with the x square, that is if we multiply x into x square, we'll be getting x power 3. So we always have to write the same powers in the same positions. So I wrote x into x square is x power 3. As I already took x square, I should multiply this remain 2 with x square. That is 2 into x square is how much it was? It was minus 2x square. So I'll write here 2x square. Okay. So now we'll change the signs to cancel. So this is minus and this is plus. So these both get cancelled. And the remaining is that this is 4x square, this is 2x square. So as this is plus, these get cancelled, so will be remain minus 2x square. 4 minus, that is 4 minus 2 is 2, so that is minus 2x square. So the remaining things also will take down, that is plus 5x minus 2. These things we are taking down. So now again, now here this is x square, so we already have x here, so we can simply multiply with minus 2x. If I multiply this x with minus 2x, that is, it is becoming minus 2x square, which is x into minus 2x is minus 2x square. See, even as we already took minus 2x, even we have to multiply this 2 with this equation, that is 2 into 2x is how much? It was, see here, 2 into 2, it was 4. So that is minus into minus, that was plus. So we can simply write it as plus 4x. Okay, so now we'll change the signs, so we'll see what do we get. So when we change the sign, this is becoming plus, this is becoming minus. So these both get cancelled. So this 5 minus 1, that was 5 minus 4, that was only 1. So you can write this is x minus 2. This is 2 also, I'm just bringing down, so this is that minus 2. Okay, so let's see how we can cancel the next thing. So this is x minus 2. If I just take 1 here, so x into 1 is how much? That was x. So this is minus 2 into 1 is how much? That is minus 2. So x minus 2, it was 0. Because we are changing the sign here, we are not directly taking here. So this is x cancel, plus 2 minus 2, both of them can cancel. So this is becoming 0. Alright. So this, the quotient here is what? I can write here, quotient. What is the quotient we got? We got it, x square minus 2x plus 1. So this is the quotient. All right. So this is our answer. Let's see question number 12. The question says, write the formula of nth term of GP and explain the terms in it. So they're just asking to write the formula, nothing to do. So let's see this. So the formula for nth term of GP. What it is? What is the formula for GP? So that is an equal to ar power n minus 1. So we even have to show this. We wrote the formula and they are also asking explain the terms in it. So we have to explain what are the terms here. So we'll write that. So now I can write an is nothing but it is representing nth term. Right? Nth term of the sequence, or we can write nth term of the GP. Or we can write A, and the next thing is we are saying about A. What is A? It is the first term of the sequence. Okay. What is the next thing? It is R. What is R? R is the common difference or the common ratio, we'll say. So common ratio of the sequence. Right? So this is all about the 12th question. This is all about the 12th question. So let's see this 13th question. Solve the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 5 by elimination method. So we have to solve both of the equations by elimination method. So let's solve them. So the given equations we'll write. The given equations are, so what are they? 2x plus 3y equal to 8. This is one equation. And also the second one is x plus 2y equal to 5. This is the second equation. Alright, so let's solve this. For solving, first I'll write here solving 1 and 2. So I'll write this as 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Second equation is x plus 2y equal to 5. Alright, to solve that, first at least we have to see that any one term, either x or y, should be similar in both of the equation. If x and y, any of the variables similar, then we can eliminate. So we are doing elimination method for the reason the second equation I'll see that it will be equal to the first equation. So I'm trying to equate with the x variable. So I'll do this second equation, I multiply the full equation with 2. So what do I get here? 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Then this is also becoming 2x plus 2 2's it was 4y equal to 2 5's it was 10. Okay, now I can simply subtract them. So this is sign changing, minus minus, this is also minus. Plus 2x minus 2x cancel, this is minus 4y. So this is plus 3y, so only minus y is remained. So here I am taking off 8, so only minus 2 is remained. So nothing but y is equal to 2. We got y value as 2. So now this y value we can submit in the first or second equation. Any equation will get the answer. So I'll write submit y equal to 2 in equation. I can submit in an equation, I'm submitting in one. Okay, so I'll be getting 2x plus 3y equal to 8 is the equation 1. So I'm submitting y value. So that is 2x plus 3. What is y value? It was 2. So I can write 2 here. So this is 2x equal to 8. 3 2's it was 6. So if I send this to other side, so that is becoming minus 6. So this is 3 to the 6. This 6 I'm sending to this side. So the sign is changing. So this I would get it as 2x equal to 8 minus 6 it was 2. If I am sending the 2 also other side, this 2 I am sending to other side, that will come to denominator place. So 2 by 2, that is x equal to, we are getting 1. So we got both of the values, x and y values. Therefore, what we'll write? X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So let's see section 3, question number 14. In question number 14, there are two questions, A and B. So we are solving now question A. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12 and find its zeros of the graph. Alright, so now we are trying to find out where the graph will touch. Okay, so first we'll write the given, that is p of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12 is the given. equation. So what I do is that first p of x, I'll take it as 0. This is just like a graph or rough work where we were just finding out where the graph will meet in x-axis. Okay, this p of x I'm taking as 0, so I can write x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So this is the equation which we got now. So we are just checking, is there any multiples? Like we will be taking the constant of x square and this last value, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 12, that is nothing but it was 12. Let's see, is there any multiples for 12 where that should satisfy the middle term, that is 7x. So that is, we can say 3 4s are 12 is the value. 3 4s are 12. So we can simply take here x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. So now this I can write, this is minus 4x minus 3x is again it was minus 7x. So here I can take x common, so I'll be remain with, if I take x common I'll be remain with x minus 4. Here if I take minus 3 common, so that is 3 4s are 12. So here x minus 4 is remain, right? 3 4s are, again it will be 12. 3x, again it was minus 3x. So again in this again I can take x minus 4 common, so I'll be remain with x minus 3 equal to 0. If I separately take this x minus 4 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, so I'll be getting x equal to 4 and x equal to 3. So the graph which we do it now, we'll draw the graph. So before drawing the graph itself, we are knowing that x is meeting at 4 and at 3. So let's go forward and try to draw the graph now. So the given polynomial, that is, it was p of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12 is the given polynomial, right? So this p of x we are representing it with the y. Okay, so I can write p of x is equal to y, so I can get y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. So p of x we are writing in the form of y, where p of x is nothing but it is y. We are representing p of x is nothing but y. So I can write this equation in this form. So now let's try to make some changes here. So we will just take x-axis some value, so we'll be getting y coordinates. Alright, so let me take x equal to I'll be taking a 0 first, so I can take x equal to 0, so y I'll be getting 0 square minus 7x plus 12. Okay, so I can write this as, here this is becoming 0 minus 7, actually here in the place of x I have to submit 0, so this is also becoming 0, so y we are getting it as 12. So x comma y will be getting it as 0 comma 12. When I submitted x equal to 0, I got y as 12. So one thing we should not forget, that in the above equation, means in above solving, we got x equal to 4 and x equal to 3. So see that we will take this particular 4 and 3 roots. Okay, so now I will be going for, suppose let me take x equal to same equation, that is y equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. Here I am taking x equal to I'll be taking 2, let me take 2 here, so I'll get y equal to, in the place of x I'm submitting 2, so that is 2 square minus 7 into here 2 plus 12. So I'll be getting here the values as 2 square is 4, 7 2s are, it was 14 plus 12. So this is plus 14 plus 4 and 12, that is 16 minus 4. By then I'll be getting 16 minus 14 as 2. So x comma y we are getting it as, x we took it as 2 and y we got 2. Alright, so let's take one more quadrant, that is x square minus 7x plus 12 is the equation. So I'll be taking x equal to 3 now. Okay, so when I take x equal to 3, let's see what do we get. So in the place of x I'm submitting 3, so minus 7 into 3 plus 12. So I'll get y equal to 3 square is 9 minus 7 3s, it was 21 plus 12. So that is 9 plus 12, how much it was? It was 21. 21 minus 21, y is 0. So we are getting x comma y, we are getting it as 3 comma 0. Alright, so these are the quadrants which we got for 3. So let's do the same for 4 also. So we'll take x equal to 4 and we'll do it. So I'll take y equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. So x I'm taking it as, so x I'll take it as 4. So what do I get? Y is equal to 4 square minus 7 into 4 plus 12. So 4 square is 16. 7 fours is how much? It was 28 plus 12. So 16 plus 12, how much it was? 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 1, it was 28. So this 28 minus 28, it was 0. So x comma y will be getting this as 4 comma 0. Alright, so let's use all of these quadrants and we'll make a table and we'll try to draw the graph. So we're taking x-axis, we'll be taking y-axis, we'll be taking x comma y-axis. X, when we took 0, we got it was 12. This is the first one. So we got 0 comma 12. What is the second one? 2, when we took x, then y also we got 2. So the quadrant we got 2 comma 2. So when we do this one, we are getting 3, 0, which is 3 comma 0. So when we took 4, we got 0. This is 4 comma 0. Okay, so these are all the quadrants. So let's try to draw the graph. Okay, so this is a quadrant. We'll take this table and we'll try to draw the graph. Okay, for the equation p of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12, these are the quadrants which we got and we'll try to draw the graph. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So we'll take the quadrants, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In x-axis there are only till 4, so we can stop till 9 here. So in y-axis there are about 12, so we have to make till 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll write the scale also. Scale is very important. So x-axis will take 1 centimeter, means 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Even in y-axis also we are taking the same, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so 0 comma 12 is the first quadrant. So 0 in x-axis here and y-axis it was 12, so here is the point. 0 comma 12 is the point. Next is 2 comma 2. So here is 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is the point here. Then 3 comma 0 is the other point. So where is 3? Here is 3 comma 0. So which means in x-axis 3 is here, and so here is the point. So I can write this as 3 comma 0. So next point is 4 comma 0. So in x-axis 4 is over here. So I'll be getting this as, here is one more point. So I can write 4 comma 0 here. So the graph is, overall it was like this. The more the points we take, the better the graph you will get, always. So I'll draw the graph, the approximate graph you can say. So this is touching 3 and 4 here, and it was going back like this. Okay, so this is a graph. So it was meeting at 3 and 4. Initially, before itself, we have found that the graph is going to touch at 3 and 4. So however, we got the same. So we'll try to find the same here and we'll write the conclusion. Alright, so the conclusion we can write here as, for what was the equation? For the equation where this, what was the equation? The equation is p of x. P of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. Where it was intersecting? They are intersecting x-axis, right? It was intersecting x-axis at x equal to 3 and x equal to 4. It was intersecting. Okay, and of course even we have seen in the graph also, we can write that also as shown in the graph. in the graph. Okay, so what are the x values now? Hence x equal to -3 and x equal to 4 are zeros of polynomial. Okay, so this is all about this problem. I hope this is very clear to you. So in question number 14 there are two questions, that is A and B. So this is question B. So the question says solve the equations graphically. So there are two equations, that is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 4x minus 3y equal to 5. So we'll write the given, so there are linear equations, so we'll write the given pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations are, so what are they? So they are 3x plus 4y equal to 10 is the first equation. Second equation is 4x minus 3y equal to 5 is the second equation. So they are asking us to just draw the graph for this, and before that itself we will just have to find out whether the given equations are they parallel or intersecting or coincident. For that we'll take the equation. First equation I'm taking 3x plus 4y equal to 10. So here first I'll bring the 10 this side, so I can write 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. This equation I'll represent with the general equation of linearity. So here A is representing 3, okay, this B is representing 4 and C is representing minus 10. Okay, so now this is all about the first equation. Let me take the second equation, 4x minus 3y equal to 5. I'm bringing this 5 to this side, that is 4x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So what is the general equation for linearity? That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So now I represent this. A is representing 4 here, B is representing minus 3 and C is representing minus 5. So as this is first equation, this is A1, B1, C1. This is second equation, A2, B2, C2. So we'll write in the form, that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2. So that is A1 is how much? It was 3, A2 is 4. Okay, B1 is 4, we got B2 as minus 3. Okay, C1 we got minus 10 and C2 we got minus 5. So when nothing is equal to one to other, we'll say them as consistent, and we'll also say them as intersecting lines. Okay, so how does the intersecting lines represent? If this is one line, the second line will go on the other one, it will intersect the first one. Okay, so what is the first equation? That is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. The second equation is 4x minus 3y equal to, it was 5. These are the two equations. So now try to draw the graph, and before that we'll try to even find out the quadrants. So the first equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 is the first equation. We have to find out quadrants for that. The second equation is 4x minus 3y equal to 5. So well, let's do this. So I'll be first finding out the quadrants and then we'll draw the graph. So I'll keep 4y one side and I'll send 3x to one side. So this 3x has gone to this side. So if I send 4 also other side, so y is equal to 10 minus 3x by, it was becoming 4. So I'll take x equal to 0. Okay, then let's see what do I get the y value as. So when I took x equal to 0, I got it as y equal to 10 by 4, where 3 into 0 is 0. So we'll first find out the division for this 4. This is 4 2s are 8, 2 is the remainder, 0.0, 4 is a 20. So I can write that as y as 2.5. So when I took x equal to 0, I got y equal to 2.5. So x comma y, I got it as 0 comma 2.5. So let's take x equal to 1. So let's see what do we get here. Y equal to 10 into minus 3. In the place of x I am taking 1. So this is becoming y equal to 10 minus 3 by 4, which again becomes y equal to 10 minus 3 is nothing but it was 7 by 4. So then if I divide this, what do I get? 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. I can take point here, 0 here. So now how much I can take? 4 sevens are 28. So I can take y equal to 1.7. So x comma y, I'm getting it as 1 comma 1.7. Okay, so let's take one more point, that is x equal to, I'm taking 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 in the place of x, I'm submitting 2, so by 4. So I'll get y equal to 10 minus 6 by 4. So y is equal to, how much we will be getting? 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4 by 4, which is y equal to 1. So x comma y will be getting as 2 comma 1. Okay, so this is the quadrants, that is x comma y, all these quadrants we got for the first equation. We'll write the quadrants, the table. So let x, y, x comma y. I've taken only 3 quadrants, but you can try more than 3 also, no problem. So I'm taking x equal to 0, so I got y equal to 2.5. So this is 0 comma 2.5. So I took x equal to 1, so y I got 1.7, so this is 1 comma 1.7. When I took x equal to 2, I got y as 1, so this is 2 comma 1. So this is the table for the first equation only. So same we have to do even for the second equation. So we'll try to do that. This is the second equation, we'll take that. So 4x minus 3y equal to 5. This is the second equation. So let's do the same format for this also. So I'll send this 3y this side and 5 this side. So this is becoming 5 when I send this side, so 5 is becoming minus 5, and 3y when I send this side, this minus 3y is becoming plus 3y. So even 3 if I send to other side, this is becoming 4x minus 5. When 3 goes to other side, that is going to denominator. So now again I'll take x equal to 0. So what do I get here? Y equal to 4 into, in the place of x I'm submitting 0. So I'll be getting here y equal to 4 into 0 is 0. So this is minus 5 by 3. If I divide this, 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, that is point here, 0 here. So now 3 6 we can take, that was 18. So we can write simply y equal to minus 1.6. 5 by 3 is 1.6, but there is minus sign, so this is minus 1.6. So let's take the next, that is x equal to, I'll take 1. So let's see what do we get. Y equal to 4, in the place of x I'm submitting 1, and this is becoming y is equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 5 by 3. So 4 minus 1 is, how much it was? It was minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. When we do this, when we keep point 0 here, we can take 0 here. 3 3s is 9. So we are getting 0.3. That is y equal to minus 0.3. So that is x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 0.3 is the quadrant. So now we'll do the next point, that is we'll take x equal to 2 and we'll try to do this again. So y equal to 4, in the place of x, again I have to submit the 2 as the value. So I'll be getting this as y equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 5 by 3. So that is y equal to 8 minus 5 is how much? It was 3 by 3, which is y equal to 1. So x comma y will be getting it as 2 comma 1. Alright, so let me write this in the quadrant xy, x comma y. So I'll be getting this as x is 0. When I took x is 0, I got y as minus 1.6. So this is 0 comma minus 1.6. When I took x equal to 1, I got y as minus 0.3. So this is 1 comma minus 0.3. So when I took x equal to 2, I got y equal to 1. So this is 2 comma 1. So these are the values which I got for this one, the second equation. So let's try to solve these. Both of the tables will be taken, we'll draw in the graph. Okay, So let's go and draw the graph. So we'll take the quadrants here. So that is, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is minus x-axis, this is minus y-axis. We'll try to draw the graph. This is 0, 2.5, which means 0 in x-axis, in y-axis it was 2.5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we'll take here. In y-axis also we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. So this is 0, 2.5. So 0.5 is here, 0, 2.5. This is the first point. Next is 1, 1.7. In x-axis 1 is here, 1.7 is over here approximately. This is 1, so this is 1.7. Second is, the third point is 2, 1. So 2 is over here. In x-axis and y-axis it was here. So I can write the point is over here. So this is 2, 1. So by this we can make one line. So I can draw the line like this. It's an approximate line. Okay, so this is one line which we got with the first equation. We'll try to draw the graph for the second equation also. This is 0, minus 1.6. So 0 is here. Minus 1 means in minus x-axis. This is minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5 we will write. So this is 0, minus 1.6, which means 0 in x-axis over here, minus 1.6 is almost around here. Okay, so this is 1, 0.3. So in x-axis 1 is here, and in y-axis is almost here. So we can simply write the point here approximately. Okay, so this is 2, 1, where I can write, okay, here I'll write the quadrant 0, minus 1.6. I'm not writing the quadrants here. This is nothing but this second one, where if I write here it will become clumsy, so I'm not writing here. Alright, so this is 2, 1. In x-axis 2 is here, in y-axis it was here. So I can simply write, that is, in x-axis 2 is here. So the point is again making in the same point, where already the point is there, 2, 1. So the same point is coming over there again. So we'll try to draw the graph. So the graph will be, so I'll try to make it again. So the graph is approximately, it was like this. One more time I'll try. For the exact graph I'm trying this. Okay. Almost we got. Alright. So this is a graph which we got for the second equation. So the graph for this equation is what? That is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 is a graph for the first equation, and the second equation is 4x minus 3y equal to 5 is the second equation. Okay, and initially itself we have seen when this is intersecting, then this sort of lines we'll say them as it was consistent, and also we'll say it as intersecting lines. Okay, all right. So very important thing I forgot to include here, that is scale. Scale is very important, we should not miss scale. In x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter, or you can say 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. In the same way, y-axis we have taken 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is all about this question. Okay, let's try to solve question number 15. In question number 15 there are two questions, A and B. So now we are solving question A. So let's read the question. Find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 3 and 5, 6. Then find the intersecting point on x-axis. Okay, so here we are actually trying to see, I'll make it very clearly. Suppose this is a line. Okay, if this is A, point A here and point B here. Point A is, suppose it was 2, minus 3, and here the B is 5, 6, and they are intersecting, means in x-axis they are intersecting at certain point. So let's say this is a point. Okay, so like what happening is that this point, wherever it is meeting, that is in x-axis, so that could be, we'll take this point as P. So this is x, 0, because this is only meeting at x-axis where y is 0. So this is all the given. So we'll try to find out this point. Okay, So we'll write this, let px comma 0 divide the line segment. Alright, so where it was joining? It was joining the points. Joining the points. What are the 2 points? That is A, 2 comma minus 3, and what about B? That is 5 comma 6. Alright, so they are in the ratio. We'll write this is in the ratio. We'll take that ratio as m is to n. Let's say this ratio as m, this ratio as n. Alright, so let's try to solve. So now what we do is that A will take it as x1 y1, which is nothing but 2 comma minus 3, which is nothing but I can write A 2 comma minus 3. B also we can take x2 y2, where that we can write as 5 comma 6. Now we'll use section formula to find out this, and we'll try to solve this. So now, using the section formula. So what is the section formula? Any idea? So we'll try to do that by using section formula. So the formula is px comma 0, or I can write px comma y is equal to, what is that, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and the next thing is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this all represent x quadrant, this all represent y quadrant. So we'll just submit whatever we have here. Even we have m is to n also we have to submit here, but we don't know that what is m and n, so that we'll anyhow find out. So let's see this. So this is px comma y. We already have taken the x-axis as that what we have taken it, px comma y, that is nothing but we have taken it as 0 comma y. So let's take this. No, this is x comma 0. Sorry, x is the value, this is passing in the x-axis, that is x comma 0. So this I can write it as px comma 0, where y is 0, equal to, we have here already x1 y1 x2 y2 values, we can directly submit here. So I'll write here x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 3, x2 is 5, y2 is 6. Alright, so let's submit in this. So let's see what do we get here. So I can write x2 is nothing but 5, so I can write 5m plus 2n, x1 is 2. So this m and n we don't know, so this is m plus n. So here also we can submit the value. So that is how much? It was 6m, y2 is 6, and y1 is minus 3, so this is minus 3n by m plus n. Okay. So now this I will just equate this with this one, so that I would get certain values. So if not, I could even just take this and this, anything is fine. So let me take this y equation. So anything you could take and try it. So I'm taking this. So when I equate 6m minus 3n by m plus n equal to 0, so let's see what do we get here. So when I send this m plus n to other side, so that is becoming 0, because 6m minus 3n equal to 0 into m plus n is nothing but all this will become 0. So I can write 6m minus 3n equal to 0. So if this 3n if I send to other side, so this is becoming 6m 3n. If I send this n to other side, so I am getting m by n, and I'm sending this 6 to other side, this is 3 by 6, nothing but 3 1s are 3 2s are. So we're getting this as m by n equal to 1 by 2. So we only got m by n ratio, but we have to find out the point. So for that we will just take m by n and we will find out the x and y quadrant. Therefore I can write the required ratio is 1:2. So we got the ratio of m and n, and we'll submit this in the x quadrant. What is x quadrant? That is x equal to 5m plus 2n by em plus n. Alright, so we already got m and n values, we can directly submit here. So what do we get here? X equal to 5 into, in the place of m we can submit what? 1. In the place of n we can submit what? It was 2. So this is 2 into 2. But in the place of m I can submit 1, n is 2. So x equal to 5 ones are 5 plus 2 twos are 4 by 3. So x equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 3, which is x equal to 3 ones are 3 threes are, which is x equal to 3 is the value. So now I only got x value. Okay, even the point is, this is x comma 0, so the required point we got. So we need not to get value because the y value is already 0. So we can write hence the required point on the x-axis, what it is that is p of x comma 0, which is nothing but 3 comma 0. So this is all about this question. I hope this is clear to you. So let's see question number 15. In that we are doing question B. The question is find the sum of all 2-digit odd multiples of 3. So they are trying to give us the multiples of 3, where that should be odd multiples, only the odd multiples. So we'll try to do that. In 3 table we'll be having 3 ones are 3, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, so on it will be going. So we should make till all the 3 digits, all the 2 digits which were the multiples of 3, which means the last number will be 99. But we should go with odd multiples, that too, that should be 2 digits. So all these were omitted, so we can't take that, and we should only take odd, which means 12 we should not take, we should take 15, and we can take 21, we can take 99 also. So we can only take the odd multiples, so we'll try to write them. So we'll write 2-digit odd multiples. So what are odd multiples? We'll have to write, we'll try to write all of them till 99. So they are already here: 15, 21, 27, 33, 39, 45, 51, 57, 63, 69, 75, 81, then 87, 93 and 99. So these are all the odd multiples of 3. Okay, so now we can write this is an AP. Okay, where this one we will first we'll write the terms also. What are the terms here? Here T1, or we can write A is equal to 15. T2 is nothing but what? That was 21. T3 it is nothing but 27. So it continues, so on. So now first we'll write this A also. As we have got A and we have got few terms, we'll first find out the D value, common difference. So I can write common difference. What is the common difference? We'll represent it with D, right? So this is nothing but T2 minus T1 we can take. Alright, what is T2? It was 21, T1 is 15. So that we were getting D value as 6. So D is nothing but now 6. A is nothing but 5. So let's try to do the sum now. So now sum of, before that we even have to get few things, that is we'll see how many numbers were there. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 terms were there in total. So we can write here n is how much? It was 15. So now we'll try to solve this. Sum of first nth term. You can write, so first n terms were how many? So that is Sn equal to, the formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. So we'll submit all these terms and we'll get the value. Okay, so n is nothing but, we got it as 15 here already, so we can submit that. So I can write 15 by 2, this is 2 into 15 plus 15 minus 1, and d is how much? It was 6. So let's try to solve this, and that gives us the answer. So the value is 15 by 2, and this is 2 into 15 is 30. This is 15 minus 14, 15 minus 1 is 14, 6. So we can get this as, this is nothing but, we'll get 15 by 2, 30 plus, what is 14 into 16? That is 84. So now we will add this and we'll multiply 15 by 2 into 30 plus 84 is how much? It was 114. So now this 2 we can divide with 114. So we'll be getting this how much? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. It was 57. So this is 15 into 57. So when we multiply this 15 into 57, we'll get the answer. So 7 5s are, it was 35, 5 5s are 25, plus 3 is 28, 7 1s are 7, 5 1s are 5, this is 5, this is 15, this is 8. So we're getting the answer as 855 is the sum. So we'll write the conclusion. Therefore the required sum is how much? That is 855. So this is all about this question. So let's see 16th question, in which there are two questions, A and B. So now we are solving question A. So question says, if A equal to x is to 2x plus 1, x belongs to n, x is less than equal to 5, b equal to x is to x is a composite number, x less than equal to 12, then show that A union B minus A intersection B equal to A minus B union B minus A. This is the question. Alright, so let's try to solve it. So the given condition, that is A is equal to x is to 2x plus 1, x belongs to n, x less than equal to 5. Alright, this is a condition. So they said x belongs to n, which means the x is a natural number. Alright, natural number starts from 1 2 3 4 so on. So they said here these natural numbers, that is x value is only till 5, less than and equal to 5, which means they are saying the natural numbers which we have to take now is 1 2 3 4 till 5. Alright, so we'll take this condition, that is 2x plus 1, and we'll submit this 1 2 3 4 5 in this condition, and whatever the values we'll get, that is giving the set for A. Alright, so I'll be taking x equal to 1 first, and I'll submit in the above condition. So that is 2, in the place of x I'm submitting 1, so in this I'm submitting, so I'll be getting 2 plus 1, which is 3. Alright, now I'll be taking x equal to 2, so in the x place again I'll submit 2. Alright, so this is 2 2s are 4, so that is 5. Alright, now I'll be taking 3, so x equal to 3 I'm taking, so in the same condition, so in the place of x I submitted 3, so 2 3 is 6 plus 1, which is 7. Now I'll be taking x equal to 4, then I'll be getting in the place of x I wrote 4, so this is 4 2s are 8 plus 1, so this is 9. So next I'm taking x equal to 5, so in the place of x 5 I'm submitting, so 2 5s are, it was 10 plus 1, so I got the value as 11. So what is the set we got now? Set A as 3 5 7 9 and 11. So this is the set we got for A. So we got for the condition A, we got the set, that is 3 5 7 9 11. So let's try to go with the second condition. What was the second condition? That is x is to x is a composite number. Alright, so what is the composite number? Composite number is nothing but the number which is not a prime number is a composite number. Alright, any number if that is not a prime number, then that can be a composite number. So as per whatever they said, that is x less than or equal to 12. So they are asking us to take the numbers, the composite numbers till 12. Alright, so we'll take that. So I'm taking off this and we will try to get the set of second condition. Alright, in second condition, the condition that says x is less than equal to 12 is a condition, whereas they said composite numbers. First let's write all the numbers. So if we just take the natural numbers, we could start from 1 2 3 4. So I'll write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so on. These are all composite numbers, right? So now I'll be taking these numbers. So if you just check what are prime numbers, this 1 is a prime number, 2 prime number, 3 prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. So this will be a composite number. Then 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, so this is a composite. Again 7 is a prime number, so 8 is composite number. Again 9 is also a composite number, 10 is a composite number, but 11 is a prime number, but 12 is a composite number. So all these composite numbers till 12 are our set. So B is equal to, what is our set now? 4 6 8 9 10 and 12. So we got two of the sets, A and B. So now we are going to solve the given question. Alright, so for that first we'll do A union B. A union B, so which means what is set of A here? 3 5 7 9 11 is the set A. Here is the A. So union, what is B set here? This is B set, so I can write this as 4 6 8 9 10 and 12. So this is the B set. So we have to do A union B, which means we have to take all the variables, like whatever they're here, whatever they're here, we will be writing that. So there is 3 here and 4 here, 5 is also there, 6 is here, 7 is there, 8 is also there, 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 here and 12 here. So everything is there. So we can write from 3 4 5 6 7 8, alright, then 9, then 10 11 12. So this is the A union B set. Alright, so now we'll even do A intersection set also. So I can write A intersection B. So what is set A? Set A is 3 5 7 9 and 11 is set A. So intersection 4 6 8 9 10 12. Alright, this is set B. So we have to do intersection. Intersection means whatever are common in both of them, only we will be taking that. See, if we check here 3 5 7 9 11, 4 6 8 9 10 11, only 9 is common in both of them, nothing is common. So A intersection B, it was simply 9 is the value. So A intersection B is 9. Alright, so now we'll go for A union B minus A intersection B. Alright, so what is A union B? A union B, we got this as the A union B. So we'll write that A union B here. So we'll be getting 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is the A union B. Let's write A intersection B. So this is A intersection B. So I can write minus 9 is the A intersection B. So now when we do subtraction, that means we are just subtracting whatever the variable there here. And see, this is 9 here, here is 9. So we will just omit 9 and we will write the remaining things. That is A minus A union B minus A intersection B. So we will omit 9 in this because we are subtracting 9 from this set. So we'll write the remaining content. So what we can write simply here is, so I'll be writing this as 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 we are omitting, so 10 11 12. So this is the A union B minus A intersection B. So the next condition is A minus B, which means we'll be taking A. What is A? So the A is 3 5, 7, 9, 11. Alright, this is A. And what is B? B is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Alright, so this is B set. So A set is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So B set is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So when we subtract, which means whatever there here, whatever there here, so we'll be subtracting, we will write the remaining terms. See here, 3, 5, what are common here? 9 is there. Is there anything else? So only 3, 5, 7, only 9 is the common here. So we will only subtract 9 from A and we'll write the remaining terms. So what are remain now? 3, 5, 7 and 11. We are omitting 9, that is A minus B. So let's try to do even B minus A. So in B minus A, what is B here? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so this is B minus what is A now? A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Alright, this is A. So now we have to subtract whatever there here, these numbers should be subtracted from this. So we'll write only the remaining terms whatever there. So now what is, if you just observe, only 9 is common in both of them. So we will just omit 9 and we will write the remaining terms. So I'll be writing this as B minus A, we are getting 4, 6, 8, we are omitting 9, so we'll write 10 and 12. Alright, this is B minus A. So now we'll be solving the given condition, that is A minus B union B minus A. So that gives, what is A minus B? This is A minus B. So that we'll be getting 3, 5, 7, 11 is A minus B. Then what is B minus A? This is B minus A. So we'll be getting 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Alright. So this is A minus B union B minus A. Alright. So the union they are saying, so we have to write all the common elements here. So I can write 3, 4 is there, then 5 is there, even 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, but 9 is missing. Okay, then 10 is there, 11 is also there, 12 is also there. So except 9, everything is there. So we'll write that. So what do we get here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not there. So 10, 11, 12 is the set. Alright. So therefore, if you just observe, see here, see this one and see this one. Both are same here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not there. 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not there. 10, 11, 12. So A union B minus A intersection B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. That was the conclusion. So therefore, we can write A union B minus A intersection B. So that is equal to what? So that is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So this is our conclusion. So this is all about this question. So now we are in question number 16. In that two questions were there, A and B. In that we are doing B. So prove that root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. So now we are seeing question B in 16th question. The question says prove that root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. Okay, so let's see how we can do this problem. Alright, so the given thing is root 2 plus root 7 is given. So we'll take, let root 2 plus root 7 be a rational number, we'll take. Okay, so this we can write it as, we'll just equate this root 2 plus root 7 equal to A, where here A is an integer. Okay, A is an integer. So now I can write, I'll just square this both sides. Alright, so I can write squaring on both sides. So let's see what do we get here. So root 2 plus root 7, I'm squaring on both sides. So when we do squaring on both sides, so this is in the form of A plus B whole square. So we'll write the same, What is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we'll write this in the same form. So root 2 plus root 7 whole square is there, so we can write root 2 whole square plus root 7 whole square plus 2 into, in the place of a we'll be taking root 2, so root 2, in the place of b we'll be taking root 7. Alright, so this we can write root 2 in the sense root 2 when root 7 square can be cancelled and root 2 and square can be cancelled. So this will be getting 2 plus 7. Alright, plus this is 2, this is root 2 into root 7, which means we can will multiply this 2 into 7. This I can write 2 into 7. So this we could write it as, this is 2 plus 7 is nothing but 9 plus 2 into, this is 7 to the 14. Alright, so this is the thing which we got now here. Actually, so now these things will be submitting over here. So root 2 plus root 7 is nothing but what we got here, that is 9 plus 2 root 14. So root 2 plus root 7 whole square, that we got 9 plus 2 root 14, that we submitted here. So that is a square. So now whatever we got here, that is 9 plus 2 root 14 equal to a square. So now this 9, if I send this to other side, so I'll be getting a square. If not, I'll keep this here 2 root 14 and I'll send only 9 to other side. So this is becoming minus 9. So if I send this 2 also to other side, root 14 equal to a square minus 9. The 2 will go and divide on the other side. Alright. So now we can see this root 14 is equal to a square minus 9 by 2. Where this is just an integer. Right. All this is an integer. So this root 14 is also an integer. Alright. So when integers when we take, they are not a rational number. Alright. So in such case, what will just root 2 plus root 7, that we will say as a rational number. Whatever the assumption that we took, that root 2 plus root 7 as the rational number, that was wrong assumption, because root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number, where our assumption is a contradiction. So we'll write this as a square minus 9 by 2 is a rational number. Alright, since a is an integer. Alright, so a square minus 9 by 2 is a rational number because a is an integer. Alright, and we'll also write therefore root 14 is also an integer. Alright, and we'll also write thus our assumption is, what is our assumption? We assume that root 2 plus root 7 as rational. No, that is a wrong assumption. Okay, so wrong. We'll write root 2 plus root 7 is a rational number, which is wrong. Okay, so the next thing we can write it as, therefore, or we can write hence root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. Alright, so this is all about this question. Let's see question number 17. In that there are two questions A and B, so we are seeing question A. Question says sum of the areas of two squares is 850 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 40 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So they said areas of two squares they are saying, that is 850 meters square. So we'll write that let x and y be the sides of the squares. So there are two squares, right? So we'll write two squares. Two squares. We're taking x as one and y as the other square. So what the condition they gave? So I'll write according to condition. According to condition. So what was the condition they said? Sum of the areas of two squares, that is, I'll write here, sum of the areas of two squares. So that is nothing but how much it was? It was 850 meters square, that is was said. So one square is x, other square is y. So sum of the squares, they said. Sum means plus. First square is x. Squaring means x square. Second square is y. Squaring means y square. So that is nothing but 850. Alright. Sum of the squares of two areas. Alright. That is giving 850. So this is the first condition. So let's see the second condition. If the difference of their perimeter is 40 meter, they are saying. Alright. So we'll write the condition first. So the condition says difference of their perimeter. Alright. So that will be getting as 40 meter. Okay. So here it was different, so we can simply take it was x minus y. So they are saying perimeter. What is perimeter of square? I write here. Perimeter of square is nothing but it is 4 into side. So each side of the perimeter, one side is x, second means one square side is x, other square side is y. Okay. So we can simply write that was 4x minus 4y equal to 40. Right. So this is one square which is having 4 sides. So perimeter of first square is 4x. So perimeter of second square is 4y, and their difference is 4x minus 4y equal to 40. So we can take 4 common here. So this is x minus y equal to 40. So if I send this 4 to other side, I'll be getting x minus y equal to 40 by 4, which is nothing but x minus y equal to 10 is the equation. So if I send this y to other side, I'll be getting x equal to 10 plus y. So this is the second one which we got. So this second one I can take and I can submit in the first one. So I'll be writing this here, submitting 2 in 1. So I'll submit second one in the first one. So what is the first equation? We'll write that x square plus y square equal to 850 is the first one. So let me submit that in the second one. What is the second one? In the place of x, I'll write the second one. So that is 10 plus y whole square plus y square equal to 850. So what is a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square in the sense a square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula. Alright. So we'll write this formula here. So this is nothing but 10 plus y whole square they have given. So we can write 10 square plus y square plus 2 into 10 into y. Nothing but 10 square is 100 plus y square plus 2 tens are it was 20y. Alright. So we'll write the same here. That is 10 square plus y square plus 2 into 10 into y plus y square equal to 850 is the equation which we got. 10 square is 100 plus y square plus 2 tens are 20y plus y square equal to 850. So let me write in one particular sequence where we can solve it. Alright. So y square plus y square is 2y square plus 20y. So 100 I can write over here. So this is plus 100, and if I send 850 other side, this is minus 850 equal to 0. So this is 2y square plus 20y minus 750 equal to 0. See, we can take 2 common here. So this is y square plus 2 tens are 20. 750 off is nothing but it was 750, that is nothing but 375 we can take. Alright. So we can, if we multiply again, 2 into y square is 2y square, 2 into 10 is 20, again 2 into 375 will be getting 750. Alright. So now let's try to solve this more. So I can write y square plus 10y minus 375 equal to 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but it was 0. Simply we can write this equation as y square plus 10y minus 375 equal to 0. So we'll take the constant of y and we'll take the last number which is 375, and we will find out the multiples of the number. So this is 375, when into 375 is 375. So the multiples of 375 is nothing but 25 into 15. so that is even satisfying the middle term. So I can write y square plus 25y minus 15y minus 375 equal to 0. See here, 25y minus 15y, that again gives 10 only. 25 minus 15 is nothing but 10. So that is perfectly satisfying. So 25 into 15 is nothing but 375, that is satisfying. So we can take y common here, so y plus 25. You can take minus 15 common here, so y plus 15 into 25 is 375. So here we can take y plus 25 as the common again, so y plus 25, y minus 15. This we got y plus 25, so we can take this y plus 25 equal to 0, y minus 15 equal to 0. So that will be, if I send this to other side, this is y equal to minus 25 and this is y equal to 15. So here if we observe here, y equal to 15 is the value which we got, y equal to minus 25, the length cannot be negative. So as we are taking this side of the square where the side is nothing but the length cannot be negative, so we'll be taking y equal to 15 as our value. Alright, so I'll submitting y equal to 15 in, we can submit either in 1 or 2 any equation, so I'm submitting in equation 2. So what is our second equation? So second equation is nothing but x equal to y plus 15, sorry, y plus 10 is the equation. So in the place of y I can submit 15, so this is 15 plus 10, so we'll be getting x value as 25. Alright, so we got x value and we got y value also. Therefore what we can write, therefore the sides of two squares are, so 25 centimeter is one which we got x value as, and the other one we got 15 centimeter. Right, so this is all about this question. So let's see question B in 17th question. Sum of the present ages of two friends are 23 years. 5 years ago product of their ages was 42. Find their ages 5 years hence. So now they are saying there are two friends, we have to find out their ages. Okay, so present their ages, like when they add both of the friends ages, that was 23 it seems. So we will write let x be the age of first friend. Okay, first friend age we are taking as x, then we'll take so if sum of their ages are 23, we'll say 23 minus x be the age of the second friend. Very simple, be the age of second friend. Alright, so these are the two things. They said the product of their ages after 5 years, means 5 years ago they are saying, so which means x is the present age 5 years before, so x minus 5. So the second thing is 23 minus x is the present age 5 years ago is minus 5. So their product they are saying, so multiplying these both of the ages, both of the friends ages, so we'll be getting 42 years it seems. So this is x minus 5. So this is 23 minus 5 is how much? That will be 18 minus x. So let's try to multiply this. X into 18 is 18x. Then x into x is x square, that is minus x square. So 18 5 is how much? It was 90 minus 90. This is minus into minus plus. This is 5x equal to 42. So let's write in the sequence. We'll be writing minus x square plus this is 18 plus 5, that was how much? 18x plus 5x, that is 23x, and this is minus 90. If I bring this 42, that is minus 42. Alright, so we can add these values. We'll be getting minus x square plus 23x. So this is minus 90 plus 42, that is nothing but minus 132 equal to 0. So actually here I can take minus common. See, I can take minus common, or we can even multiply the whole equation with minus, we'll be getting the same answer. So when I do that, I'll be getting this as x square, and here plus into minus I multiplied, so this is minus 23x. Here plus into minus when I multiply, so I'll write here when we multiply minus. Okay, so that is minus into minus, that was plus 132 equal to 0 into minus, again that was 0 only, so there is no change. So these all change were completely, all the signs were completely changed. So we'll be taking the quotient of x square, that is 1, then the quotient of 132. So that is 132, that is 1 into 132 is 132. So we'll check the multiples of 132, that is nothing but we'll be getting 11 into 12 is nothing but 132. Okay, even it satisfies the middle number. So we can write x square, this is minus 11x minus 12x plus 132 equal to 0. So here I can take x common, so I'll be getting x common means x minus 11 is the value which we'll get. So I can take minus 12 common, so this is again x minus 11 is the value we'll get, because 12 11s is nothing but it was 132. Again I can take x minus 11 as the common, so I'll be getting x minus 12 as the value. So if I just separately multiply this equal to 0, this is x minus 12 equal to 0, I'm just separately taking these variables, so I'll be getting x equal to 11 and x equal to, this is 12. Alright, so you got x equal to 11 and x equal to 12 as their ages. Alright, so we'll write their percentages now. Therefore the present ages of two friends, how much was that? So that is nothing but we got actually for the present age we have the condition also, that is nothing but what, if x equal to 12, then we have got the 23 minus x, right? So we'll write if x equal to 12, right, this is 12, then what we wrote the condition above, that is 23 minus x we wrote as one of the friends age, that is 23 minus x is nothing but how much we'll get, 23, in the place of x we can submit 12, so that is nothing but we'll be getting the value as 11. So this is one of the friends age. What would be the age of the second friend? The same again, if I'll take x equal to 11, then what do I get, that is 23 minus x, so that is nothing but we'll be getting 23 minus 11, so that is 23 minus 11 is nothing but it was 12. So we're getting one friend age is 11, other friend age is 12. These are the two friends present age. Alright, the age is 5 years before, in the sense like 5 years will be, which means we have to just add 5 for this and 5 for that. So therefore we can write hence their ages after 5 years will be how much, 16 and 17 years. So this is present age. So this is present age of two friends, that is 11 plus 5 is how much, that is 16, this is 12 plus 5 is how much, it was 17. Alright, so this is all about this question. I hope this is very clear to you. So just go through all these questions and try to understand properly, as much of the questions in your board will be coming from the last year's papers. So if you could solve this properly, then definitely you can get a better score in the examination. So however, even the other questions, means other question papers of 2018 and 17 were also being solved, and that I'll give you in the description. You can go through that and you can practice all those questions also. So keep going, stay tuned.